To be a hacker isn't hard. It's about your skills and curiosity of learning new things. A hacker is a person who have well-focused mind with proof of concepts, and also depends on how you use your knowledge to hack into systems. Becoming a hacker will take intelligence, practice, dedication, and hard work. Therefore, you have to learn to distrust attitude and respect competence of every kind. Hackers won't let posers waste their time, but they worship competence, especially competence at hacking. But competence at anything is valued. Today in this video I will cover 3 of the ugly truth about become hacker. Before we start, don't forget to like this video and subscribe our channel if you want to learn more about hacking. The first ugly truth about become hacker is almost everything you studied is wrong. You might have seen some movies, read some books, attended some workshops, or even done some certification exam in this field, but you know nothing about enterprise security. For me, you are nothing more than a sweet kid who has learnt some basics of red teaming and is now trying to dive into the world of pen testing. No, seriously, I mean every single word in my statement. An enterprise-grade security involves multiple defense mechanisms which are often put into a full-stack security model. In real life, hacking is hard because you will get error. When you start doing initial reconnaissance, you may ping the website, perform zone transfers, scan it with technology profilers, and do all that standard stuff. I did the same too, and after some time, this was me. When I attempted a simple ping, I got an edge server of Cloudflare, which was useless for us. When we attempted a zone transfer, our IP got straight blacklisted. When we tried using a technology profiler like built within web, we got 0 results. It's all blank. For those of you who don't know what Cloudflare is, it is basically a reverse proxy which comes with hundreds of web attack protection. As you can imagine, if it is rate limiting a human itself, what it will do with automated scanners and tools. It's just impossible to use things like Nessus, Qualys, Vega, LFI, Saint, or any other industry-grade tool that you might have ever heard of. If you try to use a directory bursting attack, you will get blocked by Cloudflare, and it will show every response as 403. So hacking is not easy like you think. The second ugly truth about become hacker is it's required daily or hard practice. Hacking takes a lot of time and hard work to become a hacker. Daily practice is essential to develop the skills needed to be successful. There are no shortcuts to becoming a hacker. It takes dedication, determination, and a willingness to continually learn and grow. Depending on who you talk to, you'll get a different answer on whether hacking requires daily practice or it is just talent. On one side, some people in the hacking community believe that hacking is a talent that you're born with. These people often say that hacking is more about intuition and creativity than it is about hard work and practice. They believe that hacking is something you either have or don't have, and that it can't be learned. On the other side, there are those who believe that hacking is a skill that can be learned through hard work and practice. These people often say that hacking is more about logic and deduction than it is about intuition and creativity. They believe that anyone can learn to hack if they're willing to put in the time and effort. So who's right? There's no easy answer, but the truth is if you put work every day you can become hacker, so the second one is right for me. The third ugly truth about become hacker is hacking take time to become pro hacker. It takes a lot of time and effort to become a professional hacker. You need to be able to code, have great problem-solving skills, and be able to think outside the box. While it is possible to become a hacker without any formal training, it is much harder to do so. You need many skills to become pro hacker like, for example, programming skill, networking, communication skill, understanding cryptography, and more. Hacking is not something you can do overnight. It takes dedication and a lot of hard work. If you're willing to put in the time, you can become a great hacker. However, if you're not willing to put in the time, you'll never be more than a novice. I am not here to scare you, just to tell you the truth about hacking. So, if you're not willing to put in the time and effort, you're not going to be a good hacker. There are a lot of people who want to be hackers, but they're not willing to put in the work. However, thank you for watching this video, and don't forget to subscribe and like this video. If you have any question, put on the comment. I am happy to replay to you. I will see you tomorrow.